Praising and comforting. Dialogue 1. Anna, wait for me. I'm not in the mood to talk right now. I know, you're angry about the writing contest. Sure I am. I worked so hard on my story, yet I only came in 3rd place. It's not fair at all. Even so, you wrote an excellent story. You should feel pleased with yourself. Do you think my story is great? Without a doubt. That story was far superior to the others. But the judges don't think so. Trust me, your story is really good. The judges made the wrong decision. Just wait till you're a well-known author. That's really kind of you to say, but... Don't say but. I recognized your ability when I read it. Thank you. I was about to give up writing stories because of today's results. Don't do that. You are a real talent. It's great to hear words of encouragement from you. Not at all. Will you always be by my side and encourage me? Of course. If you become famous, credit me. It's a done deal. Thank you very much. You're a true pal. Dialogue 2. I'm sad and I'm powerless. I'll never be able to go to the United States. Don't be so downcast. Keep your chin up. I believe you will be able to come to America. I'm so fed up with waiting for my visa. I can't do anything with my life while I'm just waiting. You can take advantage of the opportunity here. There are several activities available to you, and there is no reason why you cannot have a wonderful time. You're probably correct. Of course, I'm always right. Let's go swimming, shall we? Okay, let's go. Comparison, differences, and similarities. Dialogue 1. Good morning. Is there anything I can help with? I'm trying to decide which brand to purchase. About paint? Right, but I don't know anything about painting. Tell me, what are you going to paint? My window. Yes, I see. So these are our outside paints. All are good quality. I just want to buy the best one. I recommend you these 2 paint brands. These 2, in my opinion, are the best. What's the distinction? This type is the most popular. It's a bestseller. This one is a bit thicker. It doesn't make as much of a mess. Great. I also don't have much skill in painting. Both of these paints have very good weather resistance. Does this mean it will stay longer? Essentially, yes. Approximately 2 or 3 years longer. I get what you mean. What is the price of each type? The prices of the 2 types are similar. So, I'll take the best-selling product. Show me. Okay, here you are. Please let me know if you have any more inquiries. That should be enough. Thank you very much. Dialogue 2. How do you feel today? Much better. Thank you very much, Doctor. Have you been eating more recently, as I advised? Yes, Doctor. I've been eating a lot, but I don't want to put on weight. You are not overweight. You are, in fact, dangerously underweight. No way, Doctor. I'm already overweight, and I don't want to become much fatter. As previously stated, you are underweight. And if you become any more underweight, you will have to return to the hospital. I get it, Doctor. Dialogue 3. Between me and Linda, who do you like more? I prefer you, babe. Linda has a fantastic physique. Don't you think Linda has a better body than I do? Your figure is great, babe. Nobody has a more beautiful physique than you. Would you still love me if I was fatter? Sure, babe. I'd still love you the same way. But you'll think in your head that I'm too fat. That will never happen. I love you not because of your looks. Thanks, babe. 35. Agreement and disagreement. Dialogue 1. You don't wash dishes? I'm sorry, I'll do it later. No! You will do it right now! Why are you being so difficult to me? It is only the dishes. You said the same thing yesterday, but in the end, you didn't wash the dishes. I know, but my favorite movie is on television right now. So what? Who cares? If you make a promise, you have to do it. Come on, isn't it more than simply the dishes? You absolutely know that this isn't about the dishes. So it's about what? It's about your attitude. Even you never help other people unless you are asked to. What you say is not correct. But it is for the most part. You always just lie there and watch TV. Calm down. I think you need to relax. I need to relax? No, it's about you. You need to start doing your part. That's fine, I'll do it. Now just leave me alone. This isn't over yet, mister. You need to change your attitude. What? I assumed it was only the dishes. Forget about it. Now wash those dishes. We'll talk about your attitude afterward. I can't wait for that. Dialogue 2. What are your thoughts on this dress? Is it suitable for me? Wow, it's fantastic. Oh, come on. I want to hear the truth. Please be honest. I tell the truth. You look so beautiful wearing it. Do you really think so? Yeah, it's so great. No, I do not believe. You don't really mean that. Okay. This dress is a bit short. I know. You've never liked my clothes. Dialogue 3. Do you enjoy KFC? No, I don't like it. Instead, I enjoy Chinese cuisine. But KFC is great. And you can drink as much Coke as you want. I know, but fast food is not good for our health. Chinese food is very delicious. Not very greasy, very nutritious, but it's very spicy, especially the Sichuan food. Yes, it's quite spicy. But in addition, China also has many delicious dishes, such as dim sum, Beijing roast duck. Sounds so tempting. I've never tried these. So let's go. I know a very good Chinese restaurant. 36. Importance and value. Possession. Dialogue 1. Be careful with the watch. I know, but isn't that simply an old timepiece? That's right. That was my grandfather's watch. Is it still functional? It still works, though it needs some repair. Is it worthwhile? It is my grandfather's favorite item, and for my grandfather it was priceless. No, I'm talking about market value. I think it has. The manufacturer is a well-known London watch firm. Oh, that means its value is very high. Sure, but it's a family heirloom. I'm not going to be able to sell it. No, I don't think so. So what are you going to do with it? It should only be worn on rare occasions. That's great. I finished looking at it. Here you are. Thank you. I'm going to put it back in the drawer. Do you have any other vintage items like that? My mother has a few antiques, but I have one which is a watch. I see. I think it's a very valuable item. Yes, I'm happy to own it. Dialogue 2. What exactly is this? It's extremely funny. Be careful! Don't mess it up! Put it back where it was. It's just an old photo. What made you so uncomfortable with me? This is a photo of my sister. It's the only one I've got. That explains why you were so unhappy when I touched it. It's very important to you? Yes. Dialogue 3. When will I receive my money? We'll pay our salary once we've made some money. You should pay me immediately because I completed the assignment. But we don't have any money. You'll have to wait. You said you don't have any money, do you? Yes, indeed. We don't have any cash. If you don't pay, I'll take this computer away. No! Don't get the computer, we just have it. We can pay you, I promise. How much money do we owe you?
Have a great day. Hi, where are you going? I'm gonna have a history lesson. Do you have time to sip a cup of coffee with me? Sorry, but I think I will be late. Oh, really? I want to ask you some questions about the previous math lesson. What a pity. But I guess I'm free after the history lesson. We can discuss that later. Great. At a cafe shop or your house? My house is better. What time will you finish? 9:30 a.m. Have a great day. Same to you. See you then. What is she doing? Anna! Alice! It's time for dinner.
Yes, I'm here.
Where is your sister, Alice?
She is still in her room.
What is she doing?
She is having an assignment for tomorrow's lesson.
Oh, I remember. She told me before.
Yes, she is quite nervous about that. She has studied for 3 hours.
Will she finish late? She will be tired and hungry.
I think so, but she said we don't need to wait for her.
She will have dinner later. Where is the car? Rosie! Henry! I'm gonna go now.
Yes, Dad. What time will you come back?
I'm not sure. I will go home after finishing work, about 7 p.m. Give me the car key on the table.
Oh no, Dad. The car isn't at home.
What? Where is the car?
Mom used it. She said she was nearly late, so she drove it to work.
I see.
I think you should call a taxi.
That's a good idea, Rosie.
Anna, what are you doing?
I'm working in my room.
I have called you, but you didn't answer me.
Oh, really? I am working, so I didn't care much about the phone. I kept it silent.
I see.
What's the problem?
Alex wants to hang out at the cafe shop, and he told me to call you.
It's great. I also want to relax.
Cool.
Wait for me for a few minutes, and we will go.
Sure.
Where is the post office? Alex, hi. Oh, hi. I'm so lucky to see you here. What's the matter? I want to send something back to Vietnam. Are they books? Yes, but where is the post office? It's quite near. You go straight and turn left when you see the first traffic light. The post office is next to the movie theater. It sounds easy. Yes. Thank you very much. Don't mention that. See you then. I have to go now. Tell me about your new neighbor. Who did you go with this morning?
Who?
Who is she?
She has just moved to my apartment 2 days ago.
Oh, wow. A new neighbor? Tell me about your new neighbor.
She is pretty, right?
Yes, I think that.
She is an artist, and she gave me a drawing.
Wow.
She and I have a lot of things in common. She is friendly as well.
I guess. She looks friendly.
She has a cute dog. I love it.
Oh my God. I really like dogs.
I will introduce you to her later.
I hope you are better soon.
Hello, Anna. Why did you not go to work today?
I'm ill. I have a fever.
Oh, poor you. Have you gone to see the doctor?
Yes, I went this morning. I told the manager about a day off.
Because I don't see you all day, I call you to ask.
Thank you so much.
I hope you are better soon.
Thanks. If there is any work, please help me. I will go back to work after I get better.
Don't worry, I will help you.
Yes.
Take care.
Do you have a fever? Lisa, you look so tired. Are you okay?
I feel very tired now. I don't know why.
Let me see. Oh, do you have a fever? I think you have a fever.
I don't know. I haven't had any energy since I finished lunch.
You should go home and take a rest.
I think so, but I haven't done my work.
Don't worry. I will help you.
Thanks.
Can you go home alone?
I should go by taxi.
I'll call it for you. Do you have medicine at home?
Yes, I have.
Call me when you come home. What time is your appointment? What are you going to do tonight?
I have an appointment with a partner.
Oh, really? I want to invite you to have dinner and see a movie.
It's a pity. How about tomorrow? I will be free.
But I'm not sure I'm free.
Or we just see a movie tonight.
What time is your appointment?
6 p.m. But we will finish at 7:30.
Cool. The movie starts at 8 p.m.
Okay. See you in the movie theater.
Where do you want to go? Why are you standing here, Alice?
I'm waiting for a bus.
Where is your car?
It didn't work this morning.
Where do you want to go?
The bank.
Can I drive you there? My company is near the bank.
Oh, really? Sure.
Why do you go to the bank?
I have some problems with my bank account.
I got it. There's a new cafe across the street. Would you like to go there?
Why not? Is this near the bank?
It's the opposite.
Cool. I will go there after finishing.
Call me when you come to this cafe shop. I will come. I hate to get up. You look so tired today. Why?
Anna, I'm exhausted.
What happened?
Last night, I finished work very late, so I went to bed late.
What time?
I slept at 2 a.m.
Oh dear, so late.
Yes, I've just slept, but the alarm clock rang at 6 a.m. and I want to break it. I hate to get up.
I know how you are feeling. I'm sure you are so sleepy right now.
Yes, I want to sleep, but I have to work.
I think you should have a cup of coffee.
That's a great idea. Do you want one?
Sure, thanks. The heat is killing me.
The weather is so hot. I hate summer.
No way. I love summer. We can swim and enjoy the beaches.
No, the heat is killing me.
So, do you like cold weather?
Not really. I love fall. It's cool.
And it's not too hot like summer? Not too cold like winter?
Yes.
I see. But it is really hot today.
We have to go home now and turn on the air conditioner.
Of course.
Do you want to have ice cream?
That's a good idea.
We will buy it at home.
Do you think she is? Anna missed the deadline yesterday.
We got a bad mark for the group assignment. I think she is lazy and she forgot to meet the deadline. She didn't send anything to us. Yesterday, I saw her at the supermarket.
Do you think she is? No. I have known her for 3 years. She is a responsible person.
So, why did she miss the deadline?
I guess she had some troubles. She is not a careless person. And we can't contact her. I don't know why. She will contact us later and explain what happened. I believe her.
I hope so.
That